now departing. I'll get Izzy ready, because once this gone I will turn it round and get him on the
Oh yeah, that's all I'm concerned with.
Bill, thank you. 185151. He's at it. Go on, mate. Thank you. Gift, is Sally ready?
Sally, are you ready to cut on camera?
So joining me today, ready Sal? Today oh my God. Today joining me at Northallerton, ready Sally, is my friend, ready Sal? My friend Celestino. So I would like to give him a very big thank you for coming along and joining me today. So yes, a big thank you to him joining me. So without further ado, here he goes, without further ado, let's get started here at Northallerton. Take care guys, let's get started.